Okay. Hi students, welcome back to Lead School at Home. In yesterday's class, we have started the exercise 12.2 and also I have given the question number 1 and question number 2 for the homework. Now we will see question number 3 from exercise 12.2. What is asked in the question number 3? See here, the length of the minute hand, that is minute hand, you can say that minute hand also. The length of minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. The length of a minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in a 5 minutes. We have to find the area swept by the minute hand in a 5 minutes. Let us see. I will draw the clock here. So this is a clock which is in the circular form. There is a minute hand. I will draw a minute hand. This is a minute hand of a 14 centimeter length. Of a 14 centimeter length. 14 centimeter length का minute hand है. Then what we have to find? The area swept by the minute hand in a 5 minutes. So here we will assume this 14 centimeter, the length of the hand. This length of a hand as a radius. This length of a hand as a radius. See here R is equal to 14 centimeter. Here R is equal to 14 centimeter. And what is asked? The area swept by the minute hand in a 5 minutes. 5 minutes में कितना area swept होगा? Suppose after 5 minutes this minute hand will come here. After 5 minutes this minute hand will come here. And we don't know the angle. We will assume this angle as a theta. After 5 minutes, this minute hand will come at this point. Then, what is the angle of rotation? What is the angle of rotation after the 5 minutes? After the 5 minutes, how much it will swept the angle? कितना angle से rotate होगा this minute hand? In a 5 minutes, that we have to find first. Then only we will get the area swept by the minute hand. Area swept by the minute hand is nothing but it is the area of a sector only. Okay. Now, in a 1 minute, angle swept by minute hand is equal to in a 1 minute angle swept by minute hand. 1 मिनट में कितना एंगल स्वेप्ट होता है minute hand? That is move होता है. You can say also rotate. Angle rotated by the minute hand. 1 minute में कितना एंगल रोटेट होता है? Suppose after completion of this rotation, ये पूरा रोटेशन करने के बाद कितना मिनट रोटेट हो जाएगा? How much minutes will complete? 60 minutes. In a 60 minute, the minute hand will cover 360 degree. In a 60 minute, the minute hand will cover 360 degree. But here we have to calculate for a 1 minute. In a 60 minute, how much degree it will complete? That is 360 degree. In a 60 minute. Then in 1 minute, 360 divided by 60, which is equal to 0 get cancelled. 6 6 is 36. 6 degree. In a 1 minute, angle swept by minute hand is equal to 6 degree or not? 60 degree. 60 minute में कितना एंगल होगा? 360 degree होगा. And in a 1 minute में 360 divided by 60, which is equal to 6 degree. Angle swept by the minute hand. Angle swept by the minute hand in 1 minute is equal to 6 degree. Now, in a 5 minute, angle swept by minute hand is equal to 5 minute में कितना होगा? 1 मिनट में 6 डिग्री है. Then 5 मिनट में 5 into 6, which is equal to 30 degree. In a 5 minute, angle swept by the minute hand is equal to 30 degree. Therefore, theta is equal to 30 degree. Therefore, in this case, theta is equal to 30 degree. Therefore, area swept by minute hand in 5 minutes is equal to theta divided by 360 into pi r square. We know this formula. Put all the values. What is the value of theta here? theta is 30 degree. Put here 30 degree divided by 360 into pi is, we know that if nothing is mentioned means we have to take the value of pi is equal to 22 by 7 into r is 14, 14 into 14, pi 2 times, r square is there and r is 14 centimeter, here r square is there, therefore I have written 2 times. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, this 0 get cancelled, 3 1 is 3, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 2 6 is 12, 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6, again 2 7 is 14. Now we got, see here, how much this? 54 in 22 into 7. How much? 22 into 7. बेसती 14, 1 बेसती 14 15, 54. That is 7 2 is 14 and 1 is remaining, 1 carry, and 7 2 is 14 plus 1 is 15. 154 divided by 3 centimeter square. We got area swept by the minute hand is equal to, therefore area swept by minute hand is equal to, minute hand is equal to, area swept by minute hand in 5 minutes, right here 5, I have forwarded here 5, area swept by minute hand in 5 minutes is equal to 154 divided by 3 centimeter square. This you have to write. Area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes is equal to 154 divided by 3 centimeter square. Now copy down this. Okay. Now we will see question number 4. See now question number 4 what is asked. A chord of a circle of a radius 10 centimeter. There is a circle of a radius 10 centimeter. See here I will draw a circle of a radius 10 centimeter. This is a circle of a radius 10 centimeter. Radius 10 centimeter. Subtend a right angle at the center. Subtend a right angle at the center. There is a chord. I will draw a chord. See here. This is a chord AB. I will consider a chord AB. This chord AB subtend the right angle at the center. Subtend the right angle at the center means from the end of a chord, from the two ends of a chord, we have to join to the center. These two ends we have to join to the center, and angle between these two radius, see here, angle between these two radius will be 90 degree. That is the angle subtended by the chord at the center is 90 degree. The meaning of this statement is the radius of a 10 centimeter subtend a right angle at the center. See here, this chord of a circle subtends a right angle at the center. This chord subtends the right angle at the center. This angle is equal to 90 degree. Right angle means angle is 90 degree. Then find the areas of the corresponding minor segment. Minor segment means which area? We have to find this one area. This is a minor segment. And now second is major sector. Area of a major sector means which area? I will mark with the star one. See here, this area. Area of the major sector. We have to find these two areas. This star one area and unstar marked area also. Now see here, this star marked area is nothing but it is the area of the major sector. This is the area of a major sector, and area of the minor sector is nothing but this is a, I will name again here, center as a O and this point is P. Area of the minor segment APB. Area of the minor segment APB also we have to find here. See here how to find. First I will write given data. Here R is equal to, radius is equal to 10 centimeter, theta is equal to 90 degree, Therefore, area of a sector, first what I have to find? Minor segment. Area of a minor segment I have to find. First one I have to find area of the sector. First we have to find area of a sector OAPB. Area of the sector OAPB. ये पूरा area of a sector OAPB means with this triangle and this shaded area. That is the area of a sector. Area of a sector OAPB is equal to theta divided by 360 into pi r square. We know the formula this. Put all the values. Theta is equal to 90 degree divided by 360 into pi is 22 by no, pi is given as 3.14 because they have already given in a question. Use pi is equal to 3.14. So we have to use the same value here. 3.14 into r. What is the value of radius? Radius is 10 centimeter and their square is there. Therefore, 2 times I have to write 10. 0, 0 get cancelled. 9 1s are 9, 9 4s are 36. 4 2s are 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 3.14, 25 4s are how much? 100. 100, 0. 10 will remain. 25 ones are 25 plus 10 is equal to 35. 5 and 3 we carry. 25 into 3, 75. 75 plus 3 is equal to 78. And after 2 days, after 2 digits, we have to put the decimal. Therefore, we got 78.5 centimeter square. Therefore, area of a sector is equal to area of a sector OAPB. Area of a sector OAPB is equal to, we got 78.5 centimeter square. But what we want here, here we have to find the minor segment, area of this APB. Therefore, area of minor segment APB is equal to area of a sector OAPB minus area of, क्या माइनस करना पड़ेगा? What we have to subtract from the area of sector OAPB? सेक्टर में से कौन सा एरिया माइनस करना पड़ेगा? This sector area means a triangle को consider करके sector area आ गया. Then if we subtract this area of a triangle, then we will get this remaining segment area or not? APB. Yeah. That is area of a segment. Sorry, area of a triangle AOB. Area of a triangle AOB we have to subtract here. Now what is the value of area of a sector OAPB? We have already calculated it, 78.5 minus area of a triangle AOB. What is the value of area of triangle AOB? See here, this triangle is a right triangle. Therefore, can we apply the half into base into height formula? Yes. Straightforward we can use here. Half into base. What is the base here? Base is 10 and height is also 10. 10 into 10. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. See here I have applied area of a triangle. That is a base, half into base into height. Base and height both are same here. Half 5 into 10 is equal to 50. 78.5 minus 50 is equal to how much? See here how much value? Which is equal to 28.5 centimeter square. Therefore, we got here area of minor segment. Area of minor segment is equal to, we got here 28.5 centimeter square. And also what we have to find? Major sector. Major sector means this star wala. ये star wala से जो mark किया area, this area we have to find here. And I will write here in this box. There is no space. I will adjust here only. See here, area of a major sector. Second one, area of major sector. Area of major sector is equal to area of major sector. I will name this point as a point Q. Area of a major sector OAQB. Area of a major sector OAQB is equal to, ये वाला एरिया, ये वाला सेक्टर का एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है. देन व्हाट अबाउट दिस एंगल? ये एंगल कितना होगा? दिस एंगल इज नथिंग बट इट इज अ, हाउ मच दिस एंगल इज? टेल मी हाउ मच दिस एंगल इज इक्वल टू? दैट इज 360 minus 90 degree ना? यस, 360 minus 90 divided by 360 into pi Pi is nothing but it is a 3.14. Directly I am writing, you have to write the formula and put the values. Here no space is there, therefore I am taking the directly values. We know the formula theta divided by 360 into pi into r square. That formula you have to use here and write here. After that only you have to write these values. See here 360 minus 90, why I have taken this angle? This angle is equal to how much? If we have subtracted 360 90 degree from the 360 degree, then we will get the angle, this one angle. Okay, now which is equal to 360 minus 90 is equal to how much? 360 minus 90 is equal to 270. 270 divided by 360 into, here only I have written pi value. R square, r is, what is the radius? Radius is 10, we know this. 2 times 10, r square is there, therefore 2 times 10 we have to write. Again 2 times 10, this much we got here. And 3.14 into 10 into 10. See here, we will simplify it. This 0 get cancelled. 3 nines are 27, 3 ones are 3, again 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, again 4 ones are 4 twos are 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 10, 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. After simplification, we are getting this much value. Now we know that 25 into 3.14, how much we got? 25 into 3.14, 78.50, which is equal to 3 into 78.5, which is equal to how much? 3 into 5, 15, 5, carry 1, 3 8s are 24, 24 plus 1 is equal to 25, 2 carry, and 3 sevens are 21 plus 2 is equal to 23. We got 235.5 centimeter square. Now after this, write one statement below this. Therefore, area of the major sector, is equal to 235.5 centimeter square. Okay, copy down this. Now we will see question number 8. See, in a question number 8, what is asked? A horse is tied. There is a horse. It is a, don't look like a horse, but you have to assume it as a horse because my drawing is not that much well. I have drawn horse like this. Okay, assume this as a horse. Now see here, a horse is tied to a peg. That is here the peg is there. Peg at a one corner of a square-shaped grass field. At a one corner of a square-shaped grass field. At this corner, the horse is tied. Now, see here, of a side 15 meter. The grass field is of a side 15 meter and it is in the shape of a square. And the one side is 15 meter, means all the sides are 15 meter. Then, by means of a 5-meter long rope, this horse is tied with the help of a 5-meter long rope. This length of this rope will be equal to 5 meter. Now, find the area of that part of the field in which the horse can graze. Horse kitna field graze karega, that we have to find. If we tied with the length of a rope 5 meter, then how much the area can graze this horse. Let us see how to find. Now see here, observe this. If a rope is tied here, then if we rotate this rope like this, 5 meter, this 5 meter is act as a radius of the sector or not? See here, this dotted line will indicate the sector or not? Yes, this is looking like a sector. And what is the angle? This angle will be, corner angle will be 90 degree. Therefore, this angle is 90 degree and it will act as a sector of a radius. Kitna hoga iska? Radius will be equal to length of the rope only, na? Yes. Therefore, here, first one we will solve. Here, radius is equal to, that is r is equal to 5 meter and theta is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, area grazed by horse, when length of a rope is equal to, length of rope is 5 meter. When the length of a rope is 5 meter is equal to theta divided by 360 into pi. Okay, see here, what we got here, theta is equal to 90 degree, put all the values, theta is equal to 90 degree divided by 360 into pi is, we have to take the pi is equal to 3.14, into radius is 5 meter. 5 into 5. 5 2 times r square is that. Now this 0 get cancelled. 9 1s are 9, 9 4s are 36. Again we get here 3.14 into 25 is equal to 78.5 divided by this 4. Now 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 3 will remain here. Again 4 9s are 36, 2 will remain, 4 6s are 24. Again 1 will remain, 4 2s are 8, 2 will remain, and it will make 0. 4 5s are 20, which is equal to 19.652. Which is equal to 19.652. 19.625. Therefore, area grazed by horse when length of rope is 5 meter. When length of a rope is 5 meter is equal to 19.625 meter square. Okay. Now what answer of first question? See now what is the second question here? The increase in a grazing area. Increase in a grazing area if the rope were 10 meter long instead of 5 meter long. ये रोप जो है इसका लेंथ इंस्टेड ऑफ 5 मीटर की जगह 10 मीटर लिया, then how much area is increased? Increased area you have to calculate. First of all we will calculate total. First of all we will calculate area grazed by the rope when the length of a rope is 10 meter. See here second one, area grazed by horse when length of rope is 10 meter. When the length of a rope is 10 meter, then area grazed is equal to, we know the formula, theta divided by 360 into pi into r square. We will put all the values here. What is the value of theta? Theta will remain same, 90 degree, divided by 360. Pi is 3.14 into r. What is the value of r? R here will become, instead of 5, it will become 10. I will write here 10 into 10. 0, 0 get cancelled. 9 1s are 9, 9 4s are 36. Again 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. 5 into 5, 25 into 3.14, which is equal to 78.5 meter square. We got area grazed by the horse when the length of a rope is 10 meter. 10 meter length अगर rope का रखेंगे आप, then area grazed will be 78.5. कितना area increase हुआ? How much area is increased? Initially, when the rope was a 5 meter, the area grazed is equal to 19.625. Then how much area is increased? Therefore, how to find that? Only we have to subtract here. Area increase. What we have to find here? Increase in grazing area. Therefore, increase in grazing area is equal to we have to subtract this 19.625 from 78.5 is equal to 78.5 minus 19.625. Do the subtraction. How much it will come? This 5 again 7 will remain, 7 5 8, 10 will remain, 8 will remain again 1 5. We are getting here after how much decimal, where we have to give the decimal 3, 58.875, which is equal to 58.875 meter square. Therefore increase in grazing area is 58.875 meter square. Now copy down this. Now we will see question number 9. See in question number 9 what is asked. A brooch is made with the silver wire. Brooch means a design का होता है, design वाला something. I think it is attached to the sarees also. ओके, डायमंड का भी बना होता है और एनी अदर सिल्वर का भी बना होता है एंड गोल्ड का भी बना होता है. दैट इज ब्रूच. अ ब्रूच इज मेड विद द सिल्वर वायर. इन आवर केस द ब्रूच इज मेड विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ सिल्वर वायर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ सर्कल. इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ सर्कल के फॉर्म में बनाया है विद अ डायमीटर 35 mm. ब्रूच का डायमीटर कितना है? 35 mm. द वायर इज आल्सो यूज्ड. वायर से बनाया है brooch which is in the circular form of a diameter 35 mm, and the wire is also used in a making of 5 diameters. These are the 5 diameters. I have not drawn the designs. Whatever those designs are given in a textbook, you can refer that figure from the textbook. And see here, used in a making of 5 diameters. These 5 diameters are also used made by using the wire of a silver wire. Divide the circle into 10 equal parts. These 5 diameters divides the circle in a 10 equal parts. 10 equal parts में divide करा 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this up to 10 equal parts divided 10 equal sectors. These all are the 10 equal sectors. Now what we have to find? Find the total length of the silver wire required. ये सब बनाने के लिए कितना वायर लगेगा? Total wire required for to make this. कौन सा यूज किया है? वायर कहाँ यूज किया है? तो सर्कुलर फॉर्म, एक सर्कल बनाया है वायर से एंड 5 डायमीटर्स वी हैव ड्रॉन विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ वायर. देन what you have to find? The first one is the total length of the silver wire required. Let us see first how to calculate this. First one, radius of a brooch, or a first diameter I will write. Diameter of brooch is equal to 35 mm. 35 mm. Therefore, radius of brooch is equal to 35 divided by 2 mm. 35 divided by 2. Radius is equal to 35 divided by 2. Now, we want the length of this wire used for a circle, to make a circle. What is the length? This length is nothing but it is a circumference of a circle. Therefore, circumference is equal to 2 pi into r. Here nothing is mentioned to use the values. Yes, here nothing is mentioned what is the value of a pi. Therefore, we have to take a 22 by 7. We will put all the values 2 into 22 by 7. Nothing is mentioned means we have to take a value of a pi is 22 by 7 into r. Radius is 35 by 2. 7 1 is 7, 7 5 is 35. Now do this 2 get cancelled. Here remaining is 22 into 5. How much? 110 mm. We get circumference we got here 110 mm. 22 5 is 110. 110. Now again length of a diameter. Wire used for the diameter we will also use here. Length of a wire. Length of a silver wire used to make diameters is equal to 5 into what is the diameter? Diameter is 35. Such a 5 diameters are there. 5 से क्यों multiply कर रहे हैं 35 को? Because such a 5 diameters are there. See here, length of a silver wire used to make a diameter is equal to 5 into 35. 5 we have multiplied 5 here because such a 5 diameters are there. 5 into 35 which is equal to 35 5 is how much? 5 5 is 25. 5 3 is 175. We got 175 mm here. Now, therefore, total length of a silver wire used to make brooch is equal to 110 plus 175 which is equal to 285 mm, which is equal to 285 mm. This is the answer of first question. We got answer of first question, and also we have to find the answer for the second question. See what is the asked in the second? The area of each sector of the brooch. Area of each sector of a brooch. Each sector का area निकालेंगे हम. How many sectors are there? There are 10 sectors. टोटल कितने सेक्टर्स है? 10 सेक्टर्स. मीन्स ईच सेक्टर कितना कैरी होगा? एंगल कैरिड बाय ईच सेक्टर, और एंगल ऑफ ईच सेक्टर इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच? सी हियर, angle of each sector is equal to how much? Can we take 360 divided by 10? 360 divided by 10, ये टोटल एंगल कितना होगा? 360. एंड सच कितने पार्ट्स है? 10 पार्ट्स है. देयरफॉर एक पार्ट्स का कितना होगा? 360 डिवाइडेड बाय 10, विच इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच? एंगल ऑफ ईच सेक्टर. Angle of each sector is equal to 360 divided by 10. 0, 0 get cancelled, which is equal to 36 degree. We got here angle of each sector is equal to 36 degree. Therefore, now what we have to find? The area of each sector. Therefore, area of each sector of the broach is equal to theta divided by 360 into pi into r square. Put all the values. Theta here we got 36 divided by 360 into pi is 22 by 7 into radius. What is the value of radius here? Better I will take these all values I will write here. See here, these all values I will write here. Theta is nothing but it is a 36 divided by 360 into pi is 22 by 7 divided by radius. What is where is radius is 35 by 2. We know this. Put here 35 by 2 into 35 by 2. Now 36 ones are 36, 36 tens are 360, 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35, 2 ones are 2, 2 11s are 22. Now again 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Now here in a denominator we got, in a numerator what we got? 11 into 35 divided by, in a denominator 2 into 2, 4, which is equal to 11 5s are 55, 5 will remain, 11 3s are 33, plus 5 is equal to 38 divided by 4. You got this much. If you want to further reduction or further calculation you can also do, or if you kept this also okay, which is equal to mm square. Therefore, write one statement below this. Therefore, area of each sector of broach is 385 divided by 4 mm square. 385 divided by 4 mm square. You have to write below this. Okay, copy down this. Now take a homework exercise 12.2, question number 10, 11, 12 and 14. Question number 10, 11, 12 and 14. These questions are for the homework, and you are thinking about the question number 5, 6, 7. Here, question number 5, 6, 7 and question number 13. You are thinking about these 3 questions, these 4 questions. These 4 questions I will take a later when after completion of the trigonometry chapter. After completion of a trigonometry chapter, I will take these 4 questions, because in these 4 questions we need a concept of a trigonometry. We will take these 4 questions later on. Okay, now take these as a homework. Question number 10, 11, 12 and 14. Bye students.